And now I took 9 hours like in a row. Beetje vroeg op dronken te zijn. En daarna gaat hij een pushje naar een nieuw publiek. Dus ik wilde dat proberen. Good morning. As you could see, the morning was already quite busy. I did a workout at like 6 a.m. Normally don't do that, but today it was needed because I have a packed schedule. I just did a YouTube call, as you could see as well, with my client George. He's an e-commerce millionaire. We basically had a brainstorming like call and to just get everything in order for the video that's going live next Wednesday. There was this call. Then I also had in between like the gym session and the call, I'm constantly WhatsApping, like sending messages with like clients of my friends, like same thing. I became friends with my clients. So I message them all the time during the gym session, brainstorming. We're going to make a video about Kylian Mbappe at Real Madrid because he's not performing at all. And now there are some rumors that he's drinking a lot, like going out to nightclubs. And that might be one of the reasons that he's not performing. So we will just use the news and like the basic things of his performances to make a video for his channel, Natural Footballer. So that's what I do in between the training sessions. So I'm also on my phone a lot. People think you're probably texting girls or whatever. No, I'm actually working in between the training sets. So I will show you the videos and the things that I made during the day. But as of right now, I'm gonna eat my lunch and probably go for a walk. It is literally 9 hours later and I didn't even leave my fucking room. Oh yeah, I filled my water bottle, but for the rest, I didn't leave my room. I had so much work to do and I can show you a little bit now. So this video is rendering right now for my friend. Then I made my own video and I made a packaging for all Harvey's videos, which I can show you as well. This is for his main business channel. So like about Erling Haaland, he trained a day like Erling Haaland and this is what the thumbnail has became. Then I made this one with AI for his personal channel. It's about his trial at Bournemouth and what he learned in entrepreneurship. This is the thumbnail for the video for my friend, by the way. I just help him because he's a nice guy. And yeah, I think his videos are valuable. He asks people on the streets for like dating advice and like that's why I support him as well. And then I made these two for myself. So this one and this one. I think this one is gonna win, but I also made this one to see if it would perform. And yeah, this is the better one, obviously, but sometimes the random one wins. So that's why I have these two. So yeah, it's now 7 p.m. and I literally only did that the whole day, editing calls and just being creative. It took so long because I had to learn AI. So I had to learn how AI worked and I had to watch tutorials and apply it and everything. That's why it took so long. But now I think I know how. I have now X Premium, like Twitter Premium. So you have there a good bot that is good with AI. And then I have certain other tools to optimize it. So hopefully my thumbnails will even improve further. And of course the click-through rate on the videos that I work with will also get higher. So it's all investing in yourself. But sometimes it takes a lot of time. And now I took 9 hours like in a row. Yeah, I went downstairs to hug my dog a little bit because he's alone the whole day. But for the rest, I didn't went outside. I didn't do anything. I ate my lunch and I went just straight back to work. So this is what it takes. And as you could see, I got the results. Like, of course, I don't have the results yet from the videos, but editing my own video, making all the thumbnails, learning the whole system that AI is, like AI picture creation. That's what I had to learn. Communicating with all the editors at the same time. And and I had a call with my friend and mentor at the same time because they met up, Josh and Moises. They met up in Arizona and they called me, of course, because I know them and we are friends. So that was also fun, but then a lot of time goes by and yeah, now I'm finally done. I'm really done. I think I will watch some Charlie Morgan, maybe some Hamza or something, I don't know, some random self-improvement content, or I will watch a movie, series, whatever. Don't have much to do, but I can't think anymore. My brain is literally completely done. I will go outside as well, like eat dinner and take a big walk. So, done. It was the whole time in my mind that I had to create or had to film this part of the video, like, oh no, finally done. And this is now also done. So this is the raw me. This is how a raw day in my life looks like, and taking a lot of responsibilities on my own, like starting this daily vlog and on the side just all those clients and trying to improve as well with AI. So yeah, it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, but it will compound over time with also more budget to like expand the business and create a better product and also upgrade your own lifestyle, of course. So I will stop yapping. I will make a weekend vlog. So now it's Friday, but I think I will just make a weekend vlog, not like for separate days, just the 2 days together, because I don't do that much in the weekend because I have to recharge after those kind of days. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to see what I did yesterday, so a day in the life of someone building a 100 million YouTube empire, kind of the same as today, but I did other things yesterday, click here, you can watch the video here. I think it's a cool video. You should definitely watch it if you found this video fun and interesting. So watch this video for more, and you can subscribe here if you want to follow me and my journey and see how I develop in YouTube and how you could learn from it as well. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.